guys, my name is Anna Catherine Peel and I'm a third grade teacher at Passford Elementary in the Gulfport School District. Today I want to talk to you about multiplying by 9 and we're going to be looking at standard 3.OA.7 specifically. What I want to do to start is I'm going to put a 2-minute timer up and I want you to just go ahead and solve these problems. We're going to go ahead and go over them after you've had 2 minutes to solve them. All right, time is up. We're going to go ahead and go over these problems. So you have 9 times 1 equals 9, 5 times 9 equals 45, 9 times 8 equals 72, 6 times 9 equals 54, 9 times 9 is 81, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 10 equals 90, 9 times 7 equals 63, 2 times 9 equals 18, and 3 times 9 equals 27. So if you need to pause to correct any of your problems, go ahead and do that at this time. And if not, we're going to keep going. And I want to show you a couple of strategies you could use if you got stumped on any of the problems. The first is looking at equal groups. So here we have the problem 9 times 5. And yes, you could count 9 times by 5 on your fingers. You could say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And that would give you the answer, but you could also put it into equal groups. Now, I have 9 groups of, my multiplication sign literally means groups of, so I have 9 groups of 5. There happens to be stars in these. It doesn't have to be stars. It can be tally marks or it can be circles. It can be anything within the circle. So, but I do have 9 groups of 5. And so at this point, I can count by 5s. I can count each individual star. It's whatever you prefer. I'm going to count by 5s. And so we're going to go ahead and start counting those groups. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I know that 9 times 5 equals 45. So next we have an array and we have the problem 4 times 9. So I have my rows that go side to side and I have my columns that go up and down. So I literally have 4 groups of 9. So I have 4 rows with 9 in each row. So you can count the stars, you can count by 4s, you can count by 9s. It's whatever you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and count the individual stars. And once again, it doesn't matter if it's a star that you draw or a circle or a tally mark. It can be anything that takes that place of the star, as long as it's any kind of symbol. So let's go ahead and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 9 times 4 equals 36. So the next way that we can solve a problem if we get stumped is by using a number line. So I have 9 groups of 8. And so I'm actually going to draw out 9 bumps on my number line, and we're going to count by 8s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we're going to count by 8. We have 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and last but not least 72. So 9 times 8 equals 72. So the last way we can work out this problem is using repeated addition. So we have 9 times 4, which literally means 9 groups of 4. So I'm going to add 4 together. 9 times 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll squeeze 9 in right here. And when you multiply 9 times 4, or you add 4 together 9 times, you're going to get 36. And the last strategy is a trick that I've learned when I was a kid, and I use it to this day. So it's the 9s trick, and you're going to use your fingers. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this way, and that way we can do it together. And my hands are in the right direction. So if I gave you the numbers 9 times 4, I would start always with my left hand, and I would put my 4th finger down. And I would look, I would say, how many fingers are to the left of the one I would put down? I put down 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left over to the right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 times 4 is 36. If I did 9 times 5, I would put my 5th finger down, and I have 4 on the left-hand side of it and 5 on the right-hand side, so it's 45. You can even do it with bigger numbers. You could say 9 times 8. So I'd put my 8th finger down. Remember, you're always starting to count from the left-hand side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 7 fingers on the left-hand side and 2 on the right-hand side, so 9 times 8 is 72. And that's our 9s trick.